Breaking news coming in. Our sources have told headlines today that a section within the BJP is dissatisfied with the government's stand on the CSAT exam. According to sources, members of parliament from Bihar and Uttar Pradesh are upset with what they believe is the inept handling of the issue. MPs from the Hindi heartland are upset with over the delay by the NDA government. The general sentiment within the party is that had the BJP gained on the issue and made its stand clear, the government could have resolved the issue earlier. Let's get in a word from our deputy editor Brijesh Pandey, who's tracking developments for us. Brijesh, this is something that we've been talking about. MPs from the Hindi heartland obviously unhappy with the delay in decision by the NDA government.
Well, see, there was an obvious political fallout, but this has just come in light over the fact that the BJP MPs from both Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and politicians within the BJP who have any kind of significant interference in the heartland, they are pretty upset with the way the whole process has been handled by the top leadership of BJP. Because initially, when this whole controversy over the UPSC broke, the government deputed one of these member of parliaments to go and talk to the students and give them an assurance on behalf of the government that that this issue will be solved amicably to the best interest of the student and immediately. But the government sort of prevaricated, kept on delaying it with one way or another, making sure that the situation kept on brewing, and now it has come to a pass where now it is very difficult for the government to contain the situation without getting the bad press. And the general sentiment within the party, and especially the member of parliament from UP and Bihar, is that had government understood it and acted swiftly, then there would have been no controversy whatsoever over an issue in which they felt that could have effectively been contained right at the word go. So they're saying, and they're also a couple of MPs told me that they're very surprised with the fact that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is usually very immediate and sharp and over most of the controversial issues, chose to not talk up to or convey the message of the senior leadership of the party to the lower rung of the party, and this led to a degree of satisfaction within the member of parliaments from these two states. Simi?
Absolutely, Brijesh Pandey, and also the fact that it's not just MPs from Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, MPs from other regional parties also extremely upset. They're demanding that the CSAT be conducted in all regional languages.
Well, yes. I mean, once the situation goes on to this level where the talk of Hindi goes on, if you remember when Modi government initially made this announcement that the government wants to go ahead and make Hindi the language, the sensibility over language is such that they don't allow other people, that there is a great degree of sensitivity over the language issue, and the kind of backlash the government faced on Hindi issue was reflected when the second the government said that they are going to do away with the counting of English as either in the gradation or the merit. It immediately led to vociferous protest from the member of parliaments from the from South India, and they said that why not include every single language that is in section 8, and the government is clearly in bind over this issue, because now they are saying that the government should actually go ahead and make sure that translation is in all the regional languages. So the government is kind of in a fixed situation. But apart from that, the latest development is that when Prakash Javadekar, the information and broadcasting minister, had come out and told press that that this is the best the government can do, and since they had inherited this mess from the UPA government, there's as much as they can do about it. And he said that the examination is on 24th and they wish the students all the best, which means that the BJP government is trying to convey that there's as much as they're willing to do, there's as much ground as they're willing to cede and not move any inch further as of now. Simi?
Absolutely. The BJP government caught in a bind. That Verma panel report also recommending status quo in the exam system. Brijesh Pandey, thanks so much for that update. We'll continue tracking developments with you.